Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to a little vlog. I am in a Walmart parking lot and it is a Saturday at 10 o'clock, is it now? 10 o'clock on a Saturday. So I'm like coming at prime time Walmart time. Bleh. I think. I'm not like, I never go to Walmart, very rarely, and I actually really like this Walmart. So we're gonna see how it goes. I have a feel, like it doesn't look that packed, but I have a feel it's gonna be packed. I look like pure diarrhea today. Not even like a poopy diaper, it's like pure diarrhea. I'm all like stuffed up. I look like shit. I don't have makeup on. I'm missing a nail, okay? I don't want to flip you off, but I meant to glue one on like this morning, but I really need to, I still have acrylic on it, so I have to get that off, and I didn't have time. So so yeah, I'm having a shitty fucking weekend, week, but I'm not gonna sit here and like say poor me, because there are people fucking fighting for their lives, and here I am complaining about my stupid ass life. No. So we're not doing it. We're not doing it today. I have a little Starbucks and it's delicious. So that's one good thing today. I have seen this guy. I think he's doing something sketchy or something, because I parked 10 different times until I found really good lighting. But I've seen him like just walking around. I don't know where he's going. He might be genuinely lost. I don't know. I don't really know. I'm not even looking. So anyway, why am I here at Walmart? Yeah, I haven't been in a while. I follow a girl on YouTube and TikTok. Her name's Kelly Strack. I'm sure you guys know her. She's super popular. She's like a Walmart connoisseur. Is that even right? I don't know. And I was like, man, I want to go to Walmart and I want to buy the CoverGirl blush that looks like that Dior super popular blush. And this Walmart has a really good makeup section. So that's what we're doing today, okay? And I'm done talking. Let's go to Walmart. Ugh. Just feel like shit, you know? Ugh. Where are my keys? Yes. I need these. And then there are these guys over here. Guys, look how cute this glass is. I'm loving like the amber looking like glasses and stuff, and they have like a little one here. $2.46, and this is $2.46. What? That's interesting. I might buy this because it looks like it'd be like a cute little vase like on my desk, you know? I don't know. I like it. I like it. I also really think these are cute too. I know they're not like the viral glasses that everybody's talking about, but I think I like this style better. And they also have a little one. How cute. $2.46, $2.98. Maybe this one's $2.98 too. I don't know, but it's cute if I don't break it. Guys, I love specifically this product here. I've been using it on my ends and I really feel like it's helped with the breakage, because like my hair will just stop. I don't want to say stop growing, but it just, you know, it just breaks at the end. So like my hair is always one length, you know? So I'm almost done with this bottle. I'm gonna pick this one up. And then I think I'm gonna get this hair mask. This is so weird. I feel so weird vlogging, but I'm gonna get this too. So at this Walmart, like I was thinking about getting this brush, but I have to see a sales associate, and I'm like, I don't want to see a sales associate. Like I just wanted to grab the brush. It's not everything though. It's just like the brushes and some other stuff. Walmart's Valentine's Day decor is so freaking cute. I'm gonna show you some things. Look how cute this little heart is. And it lights up if I can get it. Oh my god, I already got one of these. These are the little birds. Target does these too. I'm a Target fan, but they have them. They're a little more expensive. These little cute heart thingies. Look how cute this little thing is. I don't know where I would put that, but it's adorable. Got one of these things for my little coffee station. So cute. It's $3.98. But this little house thingy, happiness is homemade, and I love us. How cute. Oh my god, they also have a red heart. I like the pink one actually, and I'm not a pink fan, but these little wreaths, they're like 15 bucks. You guys know I'm a sucker for like signs like this, so I might buy one probably love, but you know, we gotta go in the back, get one that's in the back. Hold on. Guys, do you see this? Oh my god. Little Grogu shot glasses. $10.98. Oh my god, they also have Ted Lasso. How cute. Cute little aesthetic cups. I like this side. Oh, they're plastic. Alright, that's not bad though. I like this side better than this side. This is like too much going on, you know? Let me show you what I got because I got some cute stuff and I bagged everything, you know, I coordinated my bag. So this bag is Valentine's Day bag. This is gonna go to work. I love these little things. I just can't freaking help it. Hanging decor, it's called. I love it. This is gonna be for my coffee station at home. Oh my god! Look at this! I love the little truck thing. And then I'll just put everything back in the bag. And then I got this light for like on the oven, or I have like a little thingy where I keep my like onions and stuff, and I might put that there, and it lights up. I think you guys saw it in the vlog while I was in the store. So that's my Valentine's Day bag. Nothing too crazy. Nothing. Oh, I forgot that I have my shoes in here. Okay, and then this is like the boring, not boring, but I needed Cricut transfer tape. I think this is new. I don't know, the telescopic lift. I wanted to buy the telescopic, but it was, I had to ask an associate, and I'm like, I don't, like, when I shop, like, I don't want to talk to anybody, so, I got that one instead. I hope it's good. And then I got this dolphin shirt. I don't know if it's gonna fit me, and if it doesn't, I'll just give it to my sister, but I thought it was kind of cute. It's a kid's shirt, because, you know, we go to the Dolphins games and stuff, so that's, like, the kind of boring bag. And then this is my hair products. Like, my hair is just a freaking mess, and I feel like this oil really has helped my hair, so I'm out. So I got a new one, and then I got the deep repair mask. What is this really called? It's a strengthening hair mask. And then I decided to get the styling cream, just like a little bit, so my hair doesn't look so shitty, you know? So that's it that I got from Walmart. I actually used a gift card that someone gave me. They gave me a $100 gift card, so they bought everything for me today. So thank you to that person. I really appreciate it. I was a little disappointed with the makeup section because this, and I didn't even know this Walmart doesn't have like hard candy. Do I have something here? No. They didn't have like hard candy and like those type of brands that you really can't find anywhere else. I was a little disappointed, so I might stop at a CVS on my way home, just to kind of see. And they didn't. And CoverGirl, I wanted that blush, and they didn't even have that color, like not even like a little label that said that color. So I don't know where to find that CoverGirl blush. I don't know. Guys, new day. Today is Sunday, and I just filmed an eyeshadow tutorial for YouTube. This is my new thing. Neutral on the top, green on the lower lash line. I just love it. I feel like it takes my eyes to a whole new level. Now I'm going to clean up this mess. I'm going to share with you guys my little process. And then we're going to clean the kitchen, and then everything that I bought for Valentine's Day, I'm going to put it in the kitchen. I am missing something for my little pedestal thing, whatever it's called. I'm going to show you where I put like the onions and the garlic and stuff. I need something, like something cute on there. I don't have anything, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. I have been staying hydrated. Of course, like I filmed YouTube videos and my hands are all makeup-y, and I'm drinking out of my Stanley cup. I'm so basic. Like, you know, this is like the hot new thing, so I had to buy it. It's $40 freaking. Anyway, I have makeup all over it now. I don't know. I hope that can come off. I have makeup on my straw. Whatever. I gotta tell you, I've been doing such a better job at drinking water since I got this. And I used to have a swell, like a marble swell, and I would drink water out of that too, but I don't know what it is about the cup, because now I'm doing one full one a day, especially when I'm at work, and then like a little extra. I don't do 2 a day, I can't, but I do a little, maybe a little less than half. So 1 and a little less than half. And yeah, I'm really liking it. So that's been my new little thing that I've got. I hate my arms. I gotta put on a shirt. I have been hearing the weirdest noises from this apartment, from outside. Like, I don't know where they're coming from. I think there's a ghost in here, seriously. When I was filming, twice I jumped because there was like, there's something over on this side. So yeah, let's get to cleaning up. It's 3:40. My whole family went to the Dolphins game, including Ricardo, and I hope they're having a great time. They got on the freaking Jumbotron, okay? I tweeted a picture of them, and they got on the Jumbotron. Good for them. I'm super happy. We always try every week, and it never happens, so clearly I'm the problem. But yeah, I also, oh my god, I also wanted to show you guys these candles. I'm obsessed with these candles. I'm gonna be doing a reel. Well, I'm gonna do a reel, a TikTok, and a short. Well, no, a short and a short on YouTube. I'm gonna post it, and it's gonna be like my top 5 Amazon items that I've purchased recently. This actually I got for Christmas, but it was on my Amazon wish list. I love these candles. Okay, they're super cute. And I have a better little video of them close up, so just watch for that video. But you can do, this is the candle because it flickers, and then if you want, it could just be a light. So it's not flickering anymore. I don't know if you could tell. Like, the things still move, but it's not flickering. And then you just turn them off with this little remote. I love it. And you can do the brightness and stuff. I'm obsessed. Unfortunately, there's 3 and one of them came broken. Like, I can't turn it on, so I ordered a new pack. What is wrong with me? I ordered a new pack, and yeah, so we're just gonna get a new set of candles. I love them, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started on cleaning everything up. Look at my baby. I just opened up the blinds and he's like, why would you do that? I was napping. You're such a baby. I love you. Okay, so I just changed, and I'm pretty sure I wore this exact same outfit in one of my last vlogs, so just forgive me. Okay, I can't help it. It's just a black like crop top, my Grogu underwear. Like, why not? Why not? Look how cute my little Wednesday sticker is. I got it off of Etsy. I'll leave the guy, I think it's a guy or maybe a girl, I don't know. I'll leave the shop down below, but it's super cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but maybe in my notebook where I have a ton of stickers. It's just so cute. So this was my wreath before Christmas, and some of the succulents fell off, so I just glued them back on. Now I'm gonna put it right on my door. We have a nice clean table. This table is always full of stuff, so this is like, wow. Okay, different angle, but do you guys see how cute this bird is? This is from Target, it's $5. As you saw, Walmart has similar birds, but I like the Target ones better, like, honestly. Let's put him here, and then yeah, this truck is from Walmart. This truck is so cute too. Look how freaking cute that is. Oh my god. Was I with you guys when I bought these towels? I don't think so. Guys, stop. Enough. These cats are driving me insane. Oh my god. Like, seriously. Do you guys hear them? Like, as if they've never eaten before. Stop it. Oh my god. I just have to ignore them. I think I'm gonna do this and this for my oven. Shut up! Alright guys, grand finale. So this is the coffee station. How cute. I can't believe I don't have a freaking Valentine's Day mug, but I'm definitely gonna get one. But this is my little coffee station. I might put like something there, I don't know. And then we move over here. I don't have a Valentine's Day wallflower. I'm thinking about getting one, but I just did this black and succulent one. It matches my hand soaps. I love this. I got this from Amazon too, and they're like really, really good quality. So I highly recommend those. These are all in my Amazon storefront. My paper towel dispenser. I don't think that bird is gonna stay there. I just put in there because I have nothing, but that was supposed to come with me to work. But if I don't have anything there, it's like kind of plain. And then here, oh my God, I forgot to turn the light on. This is what I got from Walmart. Let's see if I can take this out and then turn it on. But look how cute. And my sister got me that cutting board. That cutting board is what started this all. I never decorate for Valentine's Day, but she got me that and I was like, you know what? I kind of have to decorate now. So that's that little section. And then of course, my hand towels, super duper cute. And that's it. That's literally all that I'm gonna do. It's nothing crazy, but it's also, you know, a little something something. So yeah, once I get a Valentine's Day mug and maybe something from for there, it'll be a little bit better. Like, someone please tell me, what is he doing? What are you doing, Graham? He gets in these weird moods. What are you doing? This goes like this, and it goes right there. Like, and then they put the blanket on the floor. Like, I just, you know, we can't have anything nice here. I feel like I look so weird. Like, my makeup looks weird. I look like I have no bronzer on. I don't know. I don't know, is it the lipstick? I don't know what's going on with my face, but I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked it. It was kind of boring, I think, but you kind of got to see. Do you guys hear the alarm? That car, it's the same car. Graham, don't think about it. It goes off all the time. We hear that alarm every single day. So should I wait? Gamby came to say bye. Who's my baby? He's my angel. Do you guys see how pretty he is? Anyway, that's all that I have. I have to put that Pixie box away. They sent me a package. Actually, all the products look really cool, so I'm excited. But yeah, Gamby, look how pretty he is. All right, I'm ending it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Say bye, Gamby. Say bye. He's like, oh no.